Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to buy covered calls on Fidelity. Now for this, you actually need to have at least 100 shares of any stock. Say this one, right? And let's say this one, BNGO. Just go down, go to trading. And then you come here to sell section, call, right? So you're buying covered calls. You choose at what amount you want to buy. Let's say by November 19th, you're doing it till $8. You choose this one, okay? And you'll see right here, you're selling how many shares. So if you have 100, you do one, that's 100 shares. That's to get your covered call. This will be your limit price. And you'll see basically it will be added to your buying power, right? You'll see your maximum profit you can make, a break even, your loss, of course, will be unlimited. And you can just review the transaction and go through with it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.